Well, that went poorly.
Did we do something wrong?
Superheroes are illegal. Whether it's fair or not, that's the law.
Perhaps you'd be interested in changing that law?
I love superheroes! Winston Dever. You can call me Win. And this is my sister, Evelyn.
Hello there, superheroes.
Let me ask you something. What is the main reason you were all forced underground?
Ignorance.
Perception. If we want to change people's perceptions about superheroes, we need you to share your perceptions with the world.
How do we do that?
We need you to share your perceptions with the world.
We embed tiny cameras like those into your super suits. Designed them myself.
All we need now are the superest superheroes. It needs you three. Come on, help me make all supers legal again.
This sounds great!
Mr. Dever, it's wonderful, but it's too generous.
Nonsense, that's the least we can do.
This is our new house?
This place is amazing. I can't believe Dever's just lending it to us.
Yeah, he bought it off some eccentric billionaire. Definitely beats the motel. We can all have a bit more space and a waterfall.
This is a lot more space, Dad.
It's huge! I love it. Can we keep it, please?
Okay. Let's all just relax and try to make ourselves at home. Just here to help. Oh, man. Would you look at that?
That's our city, all right.
I am here, darling. Do not panic.
So, you settled in?
Mr. Dever, this house is incredible.
Hey, an incredible house for an incredible family, am I right? But that's not why I called. There's trouble down at the waterfront. Nothing you can't handle. It's a perfect opportunity to ease yourself back into super work. I'll send you the location now.
No problem. We're on it.
Dever said it was bad down there. We should get going.
Okay, waterfront, here we come.
So why'd you...
Hello, I'm Jane Johnson, bringing you up-to-date reports all day, every day. Today, we have a real scoop for you. Ice cream is vanishing from the new urban waterfront district. Eyewitnesses report a gang of frozen felons rampaging through the streets, stealing ice cream and causing general anarchy. Needless to say, these crimes are getting a frosty reception from the city's restaurants and frozen dessert parlors. Coming up next, esteemed ice cream parlor owner Shelley Sunday is reported missing following a freak accident at the family-owned ice cream factory. We'll have more updates soon.
Could do with your... I've been searching everywhere for my sister, but still no luck. I did find some trapped civilians, though. Can you help them?
Ice cream again. Oh, who am I kidding? Yes, I will. Thanks for saving me.
Thanks. I was convinced I was a goner.
Gee, thanks, buddy. It was getting a little cold in there. Whoa, they were going pretty fast. Looks like they're heading towards the shoreline.
You got it! Great! Could you bring it back over here so we can keep it safe?
They're stealing ice cream? My sister loved experimenting with flavors when we had our ice cream parlor. I hope she's okay. I better keep looking.
Don't want to mess with us.
My ice cream! Those meanies are after more ice cream! You gotta stop them!
Don't scream, just hand over the ice cream.
Ice doing business with you. Now scram!
Why are they so angry?
Ice doing business with you. Now scram! This ice cream's ours.
Don't scream, hand over the ice cream.
Yeah, scoop it over.
Whoa! That's awesome! Thanks!
We're getting reports that the chili crisis in the new urban waterfront district has thawed out. The frosty foes stealing ice cream have been well and truly iced, with any further fears for the safety of citizens melting away. Previously unknown supervillain Brain Freezer was discovered to be behind the thefts, but is on the run. In other news, missing ice cream maker Shelly Sunday still hasn't been found. Her sister Sally is urging anyone with information to get their skates on and contact the police.
again.
We did it! Time to kick back and celebrate a job well done.
It's a big city, Bob. There are more districts that'll need our help soon enough. We still have work to do.
Ooh, cool.
Hi, my name's Dory. Wait, do I know you?
Six is more than enough.
Huh? Let's get this going. What's my first assignment?
That enthusiasm is golden. Now hold on to it. But for our first move, well, Elastigirl is our best play.
Better than me?
Let's not test the whole insurance will pay for everything idea on the first go-round, okay?
Wait a minute. You're saying what? I'm messy?
Wow! Will you look at that? This is my stop.
Well, Evelyn did a cost-benefit analysis. Elastigirl's numbers are self-explanatory.
So, what do you say?
What do I say?
Elastigirl!
Oh, wow. Wow! Elastigirl, there you are. I didn't... Wow. Come on, get yourself together, Karen. Hi. My superhero name is Boyd.
I am called Brick.
I'm Screech.
Name's Reflux. Electrics. I'll be your backup on this one. It's a real honor.
Well, thanks. You're too nice.
Look at that. New Herbal. You want to make a big crime-fighting statement? You go where the crime is big.
But I am happy to report that we are here today on budget and ahead of schedule to launch our magnificent new hover train. It can get you where you need to go at ridiculous speed. The future is open for business.
Wait. The train is stopped. It's going the wrong direction. I'm going after it.
Huh?
Bad news. Not all the hover train track is filled. There's about 25 miles, but at this speed, it's not going to last long.
And it's full of passengers? Great time for it to malfunction. Watch out!
little gadget should take care of them for you.
Afraid that's as much help as we can give.
Come on, you can do this. That slowed me down. Gotta keep going. Sewers? Not exactly how I imagined my comeback. There it is!
Keep jumping across the rooftop.
I'm so sorry.
Win again! Elastigirl, I could not be happier. Keep up the race and don't let me distract you.
We're getting some great footage here, by the way.
That crane might help.
It's gonna be close. You think you'll make it?
One way to find out. No! Don't! It's going too fast. No one can shut this thing down?
They're locked out of the system.
Someone's calling. Switching over. Hey, Mom. I can't find my high tops, and Dad can't find them either.
Call your mother.
Dash, honey, can't talk right now, but look under your bed, okay?
Oh no! Stop!
You all right? Let's find the brakes.
So, runaway train, huh?
We're gonna have to build something to stop this train. First, we need to find materials. You ready, Electrix?
Maybe.
Enough! Let's get to this car. What's in here? Something's wrong. It's like they're hypnotized.
Soon the whole city will be under my control.
Those screens had all these passengers brainwashed.
Maybe it's better if you do this one? You have the strong, stretchy arms and all.
Nice job. You all right?
Yeah. Never been on the roof of a moving vehicle before, so that's cool.
Looking for one of these? Haha. You'll never stop this train.
He's getting away!
We've got to find a way to get through there. We'll run out of tracks soon. No, but on the plus side, look, we've almost got everything we need to stop the train.
This train is the worst.
I'm gonna have to stretch over there and see if I can find a way in.
Elastigirl?
Onto the train! Bear with me, I'm gonna try something. It's open. Let's get across.
Oh, wow. Okay, so this is happening.
Stay calm. Just be careful.
Next time, I'm taking the bus.
I have complete control.
Everyone stay here. We're gonna stop the train.
Look!
that the last piece?
Yes, that's all we need. Time to get back on the roof.
There has to be a way for us to get on the roof from here. Hero work ever easy?
No, not really. These guys again?
You're the stretchy one.
Right. I'll get us across. Trick! Hold on to something! Your story better be good. Hey. Hey.